Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay. All right.
We got, I think we came from that side.
Let me get that for you, sir. Come on in, I'm gonna get it for you.
All right, thank you. Appreciate
sir.
that. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
How's everybody doing?
Yes, sir.
Five. Changes in attitude check.
Well, they're going down anyway.
Are you coming out, sir?
Yeah, I'm
okay.
coming out.
Yes, sir.
This 5?
Yes, sir. 5.
Alrighty. Thank you.
No problem.
If we try to leave, we got to be back at 8:10.
Yeah, I got to go to the service desk.
Is this yours?
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
You might as well ride the wave. I might as well. Wait.
Could I go to the service desk? I got it. Just as long as I got enough with.
Perfect.
Thank
And then
you.
if you want, stay there.
Alrighty. Thank you.
There's another person over there.
Thank you.
Ladies, are you going to the room?
Babysitter section or up right above our, and they just jump and scream and yell. I didn't realize that's me either. Me neither.
Your attention, please. On behalf of the Master and Commander of our vessel, Captain Panos, or Hotel Director, Mr. Peter, this is Terry, your cruise director speaking. Now I want to say welcome back to West Palm Beach as our ship has docked and clear, and we have now started our disembarkation process. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we ask for your kind cooperation to make this a smooth one. Please do not proceed toward gangway until your deck is called. Please do not proceed toward gangway until your deck is called. Now, this time we're starting with all guests with early flight, express pass, license to chill, fast to chill VIP guests. Please proceed toward gangway with your stateroom key card in hand. Quick single bathroom. One more, all guests with early flight, express pass, license to chill, fast to chill VIP guests. Please proceed toward gangway with your stateroom key card in hand. Quick single bathroom. Now, ladies and gentlemen, once more on behalf of the entire management team, we want to say thank you for making it Margaritaville at Sea Paradise. We do just hope to see you in the near future. Remember, keep smiling, fins up, and bye for now.
Everyone individual.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. I'll be shocked. That's a great trip.
Thank you. Very good one.
Yep. Thank you.
Uh-oh. Yeah, okay.
Get it. Speed up.
Whoa, that's some heat. Yeah, I was thinking about that. I already had that idea. All right now. Oh, damn it. You got it in that slot. Uh-oh. Is this elevator working? All righty. Yeah.
How are you?
All right, how you doing?
Good. See, Mom, you can get a fancy one just like that.
Oh, yeah. About $500 I got it on Amazon.
At Amazon?
Yeah.
How fast can you go around the block?
Oh, actually, I can tune this thing up and cruise. What is that? 7, 8 miles per hour.
Oh,
Oh,
you
yeah.
should get that. I'm telling you, I had a blast on it, and when I went to Universal,
Tell me, did you play
Oh,
basketball?
damn.
If you have luggage to pick up, luggage here waiting for you. Thank you.
No, I was a football player, actually.
Please pick up your
Uh-oh.
luggage. Passports, thank you. You too. Have a good day,
Oh,
guys.
shit, we gotta
Good
have
morning,
our
good
passports
morning.
out.
Passports out. Thank you. Passports, thank you. Good morning, welcome in, guys. Passports out. Please pick up your luggage. Please pick up your luggage. Luggage pickup is on the floor.
over here, dear.
Passports out, guys. Please have a travel document. Good morning.
Welcome in.
Thank you.
Passports out, guys.
Any luggage over here?
No.
No? Okay, thank you.
We are, they don't listen, they don't read.
Damn, that looked like it would have been all right. Yeah, look at that piece of Lucas. Hey, Stephanie. Oh, shit. Excuse me. How you doing? Uh-oh.
You're gonna go straight.
Alrighty. You want me to take one of those now? All right. Oh, excuse me, sir.
Hey, caught up, Amy.
Yeah, I did. Well, I'm glad that elevator was working, and actually, it's a different part of the terminal, it seemed like. Have a good one now.
You too.
Thank you. All righty, thank you. Yep. All righty, have you too. Uh-oh. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Uh-oh. Let me back up. That actually wasn't half bad. That wasn't half bad getting off. Yeah, this jacket is definitely coming off. Disabled veteran, Florida. That plate gets you all kinds of access down here. All kinds of free parking, rather. Captain L. All right.